Hey, Nick Watson here at Joseph Motors. Going to add another vehicle to our YouTube page. It's a 2015 Chevy 3500 mobility bus that we have available. It's only got 106,000 miles on it. Johnny and I are going to walk around it real quick, go over some high points on the outside, inside. Really nice, clean, slick unit down the side. Fully serviced at our Fleet Repair Center, Truck South. No rips or tears in any of the seats, no headliners hanging. All 10-ply tires wrapped all the way around it. In like new conditions. Fronts are new, rear in like new condition. It's a StarTrans bus. It's going to have the Braun Ability lift system on it. Again, it's an 11-passenger unit. This gives the capability of 1, 2, 3 wheelchairs extensions. All these chairs fold up but the front section. Obviously these fold up the same as these. This one is the stationary version here that we have. But we're excited to have it. Excited to show it. Now, if you got any questions about this unit, please contact me or Johnny at 919-661-2886 or hit us up on the website at josephmotorsnc.com. We'd love to hear from you. Have a great day.